Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today again I am here to teach you a new topic, and that is comparison of adjectives. In short, we can say comparison of degree. We know degree, na? Okay, today I will discuss what is degree or what is comparison of adjective. An adjective of quality changes its form when it is used to compare one noun with another. Used to compare one noun with another. It is called the degree of comparison of an adjective. So, first of all, we have to know what is adjective. An adjective is a word which adds something to the meaning of a noun, that is adjective. There are 3 degrees of comparison. When we will compare some adjective, so there are 3 degrees of comparison, that is positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. The positive degree is used to refer to one object, person or place without making any comparison. As for example, Ram is a good boy. This is a large tree. Here is no comparison. Now, the comparative degree. The comparative degree refers to a greater degree of adjective as compared to the positive degree. It is used to compare two objects, people or places. Compare degree always compare with two objects, people or places. As for example, tall, taller, large, larger, short, shorter. Like this way we can compare with two objects, people or places. Now we will know what is superlative degree. The superlative degree refers to the greatest degree of adjective. It is used to compare more than two objects, people or places. More than 2 means it can be 3, it can be 4, 5, 6, 100, more than 2. When we will compare more than 2 objects, people or places, then it will be superlative degree. Now I will give you some examples of superlative degrees. Tall, here tall is positive. Taller, taller is comparative, and tallest, it is superlative. Now I am telling you 3 sentences. It will be easier to you to understand what is positive, what is comparative and what is superlative. So, Ram is a tall boy. Here is no comparison. Ram is a tall boy. Tall is an adjective and Ram is a tall boy. Ram is taller than Sam. So here is two nouns, Ram and Sam. So I am comparing with two persons. Ram is taller than Sam. And Ram is the tallest boy in the classroom. So there are so many students in the classroom, more than two students are in the classroom. So here is the comparison, more than 2 persons. So Ram is the tallest boy in the classroom. Like this way, big, bigger, biggest, large, larger, largest. Now I will tell you some important things to remember. The first one is when the positive ends in E, the letter E, we add only R for comparative and ST for superlative. As for example, large. Large is positive degree. Here the last letter is E. So we have to compare with comparative degree. We have to put R, and when we will compare in superlative degree, we have to put ST. Large, larger, largest. The second thing we have to remember, and that is adjectives of one syllable are compared by adding er for comparative and est for superlative. As for example, tall, taller, tallest, great, greater, greatest, young, younger, youngest. The third thing we have to remember, and that is when the positive ends in y preceded by a consonant, y is changed to I before er and est. As for example, busy, busy. Here before y is s, and that is consonant. So we have to change the y to I, and then we can compare with comparative degree and superlative degree. So it will be busy, busier, busiest, dry, drier, driest. But here is one twist. But when a vowel precedes y, it is not changed to y. Like as for example, grey, grey, grey. Here before y is e. It is vowel. So here it will not be changed to I. Grey, grayer, greyest. As simple, we will compare the degree. There are some irregular degrees of comparison I will discuss in next class. Today is this much. Thank you. Have a nice day.